YouTube, Tony here again. We're gonna do another Benchwarmer box break from the Industry Summit 2013. This is actually the third one, and so let's see what we get as our 101 here. Hopefully something good. All right, here we go. Okay, let's start off with this stack over here. All right, first up, Sarah Underwood, 1 out of 25. I think these Benchwarmer blacks are loaded with Sarah Underwood stuff, so if you're a fan of her, I would suggest you get one of these boxes. I think I've hit Sarah Underwood 3 times on all 3. Mary Riley, 11 out of 25. Let me show you the back of the Sarah Underwood. Bang! Sarah Riley, 11 out of 25. And here's our triple auto. This is a nice one. Miriam Gonzalez, Jamie Hammer, and Candice Kita, 15 out of 25. Oh, very nice. And there's the back side of that. Alright, so our 101 should probably be here. Whoa, look at this big card here. Pretty thick. Alright, so we got Miriam Gonzalez again, 7 out of 10. And our 1 of 1 is a shoe. A shoe, authentic shoe from Jennifer Corbin. She's a hottie. And it's autographed too. 1 of 1. Very nice. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a look at the won't focus. Here's the back of that. Hello, Santa. Awesome. Awesome card. 1 of 1. I'll show you the back side of the Miriam Gonzalez. Boom. Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube.